Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So this is the recording with the presence boost turned on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Xiaomi has announced its new flagship in 2022, Xiaomi 12 Pro. A big thanks to my friend and tech YouTuber Yunus Ghazali who unboxed it in China. Links of his channel will be there in description below. Do check out his channel for some great content. So let's unbox the smartphone, but before I start, we have two different color variants here, powered by Harman Kardon, so expect a great stereo sound quality. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.